Chuck kayaked 4 miles upstream in the same time it took him to kayak 10 miles downstream. If Chuck can average 7 miles per hour in still water, what was the rate of the current? This problem is a uniform motion problem where we have distance is equal to rate times time. However, in this problem it said the same amount of time. So when we set up our equation, we're going to be setting up one time to go upstream is equal to the time to go downstream. So we need this formula set equal for time. So I'm going to divide both sides by r and get time is equal to distance divided by the rate. Now, we'll fill in our table. Over here we have a table. Distance is equal to rate times time. In the problem, they said that Chuck traveled 4 miles upstream and 10 miles downstream. His rate will be 7 minus c to show that the current is actually slowing him down a little from his regular 7 miles per hour in still water. And his rate downstream will be 7 plus the current speed because the current will actually push him along a little faster than his speed in still water. Now the time, remember, was distance divided by the rate. So we took the distance, divided both of them by the rates. Now again, the problem said that the times were equal. So we'll take the time to go upstream, 4 over 7 minus c, and set it equal to the time to go downstream, or 10 divided by 7 plus c. Now we have a rational equation, so we'll multiply both sides by the least common denominator, or we could actually cross multiply here, but we'll just multiply by the least common denominator, which will be 7 minus c times 7 plus c. And when I multiply it to the first fraction, I will have 4 times 7 plus c is equal to 10 times 7 minus c. Let's distribute and solve this equation. 28 plus 4c is equal to 70 minus 10c. Let's get our c's together. So I'm going to add 10c to both sides. And if I add 10c to both sides, I will have 14c plus 28 is equal to 70. Now if I subtract 28 from both sides, I will have 42 is equal to 14c. Now I'll divide both sides by 14 and get c is equal to 3. Now c in our problem represented the speed of the current, or the rate of the current. So the rate of our current will be 3 miles per hour.